This video will show how to extend a loop with isolator units. New loop units can be auto-addressed and added to an existing loop. In this video, we will add 3 new alarm devices to the loop. Only use this procedure for loops that are auto-addressed. Connect the new units to the COM loop. The new units must have isolators and must have default address before starting the extend loop function. Open the EBL file with the existing project. This is the tree view of the loop before adding new units. Log on. Disconnect the loop via EBL Win. Connect the new units onto the loop. Do not reconnect the loop now, it will be automatically reconnected when the control unit is restarted later on. Select the loop and select the extend loop function. Start the extend loop procedure. The auto-addressing is completed. Press OK. The new loop units are graphically shown in the correct segment. Press Create SSD. Save the project, and download the SSD to the control unit. Thank you for watching.